And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, vote there.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are tuning in for the very first time, my name is Amadam Dambaika. Please do click the subscribe button so that you can become a member of our fam. Give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications so that you can get a notification every time I post. And if you are a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Today is the 31st of August and I'm going out with my sister to have breakfast at the joint. I did my nails yesterday, my lashes and my toenails as well. So again, I'm trying to see out here to have breakfast. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog whilst getting ready because I think it's really late. I know that's not a good idea. It's really late. I think I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done with everything. Yeah, catch up with you guys when I'm done with everything. So without any further ado, let's go straight into it.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yeah, killing out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What people say that? I'm watching you guys, I'm looking to see now. Like I'm ready to bend. What if Barbies just wanna play tag? Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Now I'ma put it to bed. Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bored of it. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the grease, so I all of it. And I throw it back to these boots in it. And I got the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got them ripped. Yeah, they know me with me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell her keep the lights down right now. Me and the I'm talking dark.
Recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't even gotta say shit. And I know you taste it. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. Live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloom, dark moon would trust it. I mean, I wrote poems in these songs dedicated to you and you'll hit the moon for empathy. Blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck you, I can pour up plenty champagne. All night, you curse this. You caught up your friends and your girl getting little bitty. I heard say conversation. Good nation, can feel, but I couldn't for right my wrongs. So I write it for real. Yeah. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I just know, come on. Where the justice, put it in the song, alright.
Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be so nice.
You can get it, you can get it.
That's nice.
And I just know, come on. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you played it. Cause oh girl, you use my patience with all the seductive photographs and all these wonderful vacations you've been taking. Clearly allow me to take it. It don't make sense. Young East African girl, busy fucking with your man. I was trying to put you on game, but you wanna play your mama to the land. I could do it, maybe one day. When you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's right here in the city and you run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. We're new to this life, but goddamn, you got just that. I mean, I read poems and these songs dedicated to the fun sex. Your natural head, your soft skin, your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They speak communications, speak relations. I can tell, but I can't never right my wrongs. So I write them down for real. Know just what you want. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song. Alright.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. All of the bodies is bad. All of the bodies is bad. And we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. That book so cold, we just chillin' out. They yelling, we ain't killing out. These Barbie bitches, I'm still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I'm pulling a can. Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is bad. All of the Barbies is bad. Big girls, and we ain't playing tag. You wanna play in the playoffs? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm not gonna stay now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna play split. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Now I'ma put it to bed.
Hi besties, welcome back to my vlog. I am back home and I had a really amazing day, and I'm sure you guys saw that we actually meant to go to the joint in, I think it's in South Beach, I'm not sure, but it's somewhere in town. But we're living it down, and the breakfast special was from 8 to 11 and I got to town at 11. Yeah, but we ended up going to Ocean Basket, and luckily it was their last day for their special, so saya khona ke. And then after that, so that's it. Yeah, bekumnandi. And yesterday my sister attended any event to celebrate Women's Month, and then she came back with some goodies for me. Uhambile sesemdala wakhumbula ukuthi unosisi omncane amshiye ekhaya othanda ukwenza skincare. Guys, my skincare is about to eat. I'm so excited. Sada ukuthi angiyenza skincare manje, because for my skin I use Intipo, carrot oil, and Icloceramine sunscreen, and you can get all of those products from me. Mandazlimna skincare, guys. Yes, isn't as a skin, and you guys know how much I love doing my skincare. And then she got this blemish cream and Pentyliners from Gynagard. Ngiyabonga ke best. ukhumbule ukuthi nosisi omncane umshiyile ekhaya. And thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with your friends, your family, everyone. Tell Amanda Mtambakya uploaded. See you next time. Bye.